Initially, one does not see much. One has to probe and go deeper in the fibers, more towards the surface to find out the pockets of annular entrapment or nuclear entrapment within the annulus. These are times when you begin to doubt yourself and wonder where is the annular or nuclear fragment trapped within the annulus. But slowly probing, checking out every loose pocket, then starts yielding results. And one can see that one is gradually opening the trapdoor, and out comes the nuclear material trapped within the annular fibers. It is not easy to locate the rent. It takes some time and perseverance. But now you can see with the water column, the bulge and the movement. Now I'm pretty sure as to where the annular rent is. And now I will start working towards removing all these loose fragments, all the nuclear material from the rent until the rent is completely exposed. As more and more of the nuclear material comes out, the dark rent comes into visual observation. One must, however, make sure one is removing enough nuclear material from within the rent and the pocket around the rent. I'm increasing the light shadow now to see deeper into the tissues, knowing very well that I have to go much more. Now what we have here is the early visuals of the annular rent, tag of tissue attached to it, PLL beyond it, and slowly and perseveringly trying to remove all the tissue from the rent. Opening up the rent completely, removing still more entrapped fragments. As you can see, large fragments are coming out from within the tear. It's amazing as to the amount of material that is accumulated over the years within such tears, causing severe pain, acidic neurotization, and vascularization of the tear edges. This is a classic example of the human body at the stage where it fails to repair a tear and allows permanent vascularization, neurotization of the tear edges to occur, causing severe pain to the patient. There is a tissue tag in between, but one can see beyond it, and one can keep on removing large chunks of nuclear material from within the rent and the collection zone around the tear. It is of paramount importance to clear the tear and the collection zone of nuclear material completely prior to doing IDET kind of annuloplastic repair. As we keep removing material, you can see how fluffy everything is becoming. The rest of the annulus, how it is sinking in, and the amazing amount of quantity of nuclear material which is coming in. Fragments which are coming out just by the water column pressure itself. One can clearly see the PLL, the neural tissues, the tear, the amount of material in the pockets around the tear, the complexity of the tear. Not only is it horizontal, but it has vertical ramifications. It is a massive tear in a young child who gave a history of a fall from a tree and who traveled 2 continents in search of cure. All because MRI showed nothing. This tear itself will take months to heal, but slowly and surely, because we have now done annuloplasty. After clearing of this tear, the patient will find peace and decrease in pain. I am now doing annuloplasty or heat treatment like I did around the edges of the tear. One can see the structures, the PLL moving with the water column. The bubbling is because of radiofrequency heat vaporizing the tissue, burning out all inflammatory tissue around the tear edges. This is a beautiful visualization of a large tear in a child as young as 18 years.